I'm Rebecca of Pocketful of Posies. It's so good to be back making videos again. I haven't been able to sew for about a month now, and due to some renovations that we've been doing. So we're redoing the sewing room as well as my husband's office, and our house is only 900 square feet. So once things start getting taken out and put in other places, just chaos ensues. So things have been a little bit crazy, but I got the sewing room to an interim state, if you will, so I can work on some small projects in here while still organizing and getting ready for new shelves and a new cutting table and a new desk ultimately. And so I'm so excited to share this project with you today. It's a shift, and I know I've made several shifts on this channel before, but I needed a sleeveless shift because I'm going to be making a Regency dress in the coming month, and I wanted the sleeves to be more sheer. I didn't want the sleeve of the shift to show underneath the sleeve of the dress. So I made a sleeveless shift. It's quick, it's easy, it's not historically accurate at all as far as I know. I mean, who's to say? Someone could have made it like this, I don't know. But I'm excited to share it with you, and it turned out really well. In addition to sharing this project with you today, we're also doing a giveaway. If you remember from my previous video, we're doing the giveaway of these Regency stays by the Mantua Maker, and I'm going to be drawing the winner, so stay tuned for that. Also, another exciting thing in this video is I'm going to unbox my American Duchess Bernadette shoes, which have finally arrived, and I'm very, very happy, and I'm excited to show those to you as well. So much to get to, so here we go. I used linen for my shift. I washed and dried it and checked the width. It's 54 inches. Then I took it to the ironing board and got as many of the wrinkles out as I could. To cut the length I needed, I tried the pull a thread out the width of the fabric thing. It worked fine. The thread broke often, but it didn't take too long to pull a thread out the entire width. Here's a little tour of my current space. It feels and looks like not much has happened, but 8 boxes of fabric have been removed and lots of scraps and other stuff have been thrown out. The room is 9.5 by 11, so pretty small. It used to be a guest room, but we rarely have guests, so I turned it into the sewing room. This headboard and footboard are just propped up against the wall because we don't have a bed in here anymore. The wall Lucius is on will be home to new shelves with space between them for Freya and Joan to reside. Books and stuff on this shelf still need to be organized, and this shelf is going to be put in a different room. Got a lot of patterns still left to organize. I'm really not looking forward to that. A new desk is planned, and the armoire stays where it is. My dad built it for me, and I love it. The closet will remain costume storage, and the over-the-door ironing board is the best solution for this space, I think. Okay, they are here. My American Duchess Bernadettes, which Chris pre-ordered for me. I don't even remember when. A long time ago. And I think during the first pre-order period. So Hercules, go on. He wants pretty shoes too. So I'm very excited. I honestly, I can't remember what color I decided I wanted. It's been that long with all of the shipping problems and, you know, their supplier, with COVID and everything. Okay. Lollipop. So excited. Hercules, here's a box for you. All right, here we go. So I ordered the ivory and black. Couldn't remember. I was trying to decide between that, the ivory and black, and it's kind of a bluish color and black. And oh, they're so pretty. You like them, Hercules? Oh. I am so excited. Very, very pretty. I love this detail on the sides. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to wear these. Okay. Here they are in my pajamas. They're very cute. They are a little snug, but I think once they're worn in a little bit, they will be very comfortable. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, my feet are wide. They're not super, super wide, but they're definitely more wide than regular. I usually buy wide width shoes, which is why with my boots I went up a full size. Well, I went up to an 11, but these are 10s, and yeah, they fit just fine. I also got 10s in the Garrix, the theatrical 18th century shoes, and I'm very, these are so cute. I can't wait to wear them out and about in costume. Back to the shift. I used the full width for the hem. So the measurements are, without any folds, width at shoulders, 25 inches. The neckline width is 14 inches, and the depth of the neckline is 8.5 inches. Since I had the length, I folded it in half lengthwise and then in half widthwise, so there are no shoulder seams. I drew out a pattern for the neck opening, and I just freehanded the curve. Rather than use gores, I cut the shift in an A-line. I didn't measure the length, I just held it up to me, but 47 inches seems like a good a good length. I marked the cutting lines with a friction highlighter. Then I cut it out. The next step was to pin the side seams. And these are the only seams in this entire project. I checked the fit and everything looked pretty good. Then I took it to the machine and sewed the side seams. My next step was to turn and pin a narrow hem on the arm openings. I sewed them using a whip stitch with assistance from Hercules. I did the same exact thing on the neckline. And now the quickest and easiest and laziest seam finish, zigzagging the raw edges on the inside. So all that's left is to do the hem, and I am going to, I was thinking I wouldn't need a drawstring, but I definitely do. So I've already put a narrow hem on the neckline, but I think I can just take out a few stitches, add some little eyelets, and put in a drawstring. So I think that will work well. And then this is going to work just fine for my purposes. I needed something that was sleeveless, so yay! I hand sewed a couple of eyelets, re-sewed the neckline hem where I opened it, and threaded some twine through the neckline casing. Finally, I turned up the hem 1/2 inch twice and pinned it. I also sewed it with a whip stitch. And then it was done! Okay, time for the giveaway. All right, so I'm using commentpicker.com. Okay, unique comments are done, and then start, pick a random winner. Good luck, everyone. All right, the winner is EB. Congratulations. Leave me a comment down below. I will send you my email, and then you can send me your address to that, and I'll send it out to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for playing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I really appreciate it. Hello to new subscribers. Hello to old subscribers. Those of you who've been with me this whole year that I've been doing this YouTube thing, those of you who are new, welcome, and thank you so much for your support. If you'd like to support the channel any further, I have a Ko-fi account, and that is linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. And I will see you again on our next sewing adventure.